Hi, this is Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our Partner Network magazine, and we're at the 2015 Automation Fair event in Chicago. This is the best show to find the top companies in industrial automation, and one of those companies is Panduit. I'm talking with my friend Andy here. Andy, tell me what Panduit does.
Well, Panduit has many different business units. Today we're going to be talking about the industrial automation infrastructure. We provide solutions from the grounding all the way up to the micro data center, providing a complete network solution.
And so how does your company bring value to your customers?
Well, we bring value by simplifying robust industrial network and IoT deployments with using a building block approach that adheres to the Converged Plantwide Ethernet architecture, the CPwE.
And that's so important now, especially with the movement towards Internet of Things. Now, I know that people in the booth are excited about the industrial distribution frame. Tell me about that.
Well, the industrial distribution frame lies within the industrial zone. And this provides distribution switching down to access switches, as well as it does have access switching capabilities. So this contains switches like the 3850 or the new Stratix 5410, as well as, let's say, the 2960 access switches. These are rack mount switches.
Okay. And what are some specific features and benefits?
Well, the Panduit IDF is a pre-configured rack mount solution that deploys these switches, these industrial switches that have complete cable management, grounding infrastructure, the power management, as well as copper and fiber patching, with also a pre-engineered and validated system. So the customer knows when they use our pre-configured solution that it will be deployed correctly and reliably.
So why is this important?
Well, it gives the customer a peace of mind that they have all the pieces and parts necessary for their project to have a successful and reliable deployment.
Well, that's really powerful, and it's really important today in the age of connectivity as that grows. So there's so much more to learn about what Panduit might be able to do for you. Go to the website on the bottom of your screen and find out how they might be able to help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2015 Automation Fair event. I'll see you next time.